Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds AirPods Pro. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And right here at the first line I have spatial audio. You may have it at the bottom, it depends on the phone. And also, not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you haven't it. Now, to enable this mode, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it, if the slider have empty background. And to disable spatial audio, you need to also tap one time at this slider. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!